Hi guys, and welcome back to CC Investing. My name is Chester, and today I'm here to give you a nice update coming through on gold. Starting off here on the daily, as you can see, we do have this falling parallel channel. You can see the levels of support that we're looking for here. Very interesting content coming through. We've got a nice news story to cover at the end of this video as well, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. As you can see, we saw this level of support at around 1800. And where are we now? We're seeing gold absolutely tank over the last few days. We know how gold actually can bounce off horizontals really quite nicely here. So there is something to really be looking out for here for this potential dump, right? We've seen literally 5 bearish candles in a row here for gold here on the daily. So if we are going to see us actually come down and test this horizontal at around 1,786, I really would expect a bounce up for some sort of lower high, maybe testing the 10 SMA or something along the lines of that, guys. But yeah, definite area to be looking out for here for gold is going to be that 1,786 for a potential bounce. Now, going back to this falling parallel channel that we were just talking about there, the resistance to the top side here is as shown, right? It's looking really quite bad here for gold. After seeing the high get set of around 2,068 there, I really would expect lower prices here. Now, if we do bounce here, there could be a nice move to the upside, as I was just saying there, nice little long position. But if we do lose this here, I've got all of these checkpoints basically laid out, right? These checkpoints laid out in terms of take profits for a potential short here. If we do get a candle body close below around 1,767, I would be looking to short gold all the way down here. Now, in reference to shorting gold at these areas, I just want to bring up a news story here. Uganda discovers gold deposits worth 12 trillion. Not billion, trillion. Do you guys know the market cap for gold currently, right? Market cap for gold currently is 11.4 trillion. They've basically doubled the market cap for gold, right? Absolutely insane. And what does this mean for the price, guys? This means for the price, we're probably going to see, because obviously it's going to be a supply shock. We're going to see a lot more gold out there. So it is going to basically mean the value of gold will be coming down, guys. It will be coming down the more of this that basically gets mined, right? So this is definitely something to take into consideration here if we're going to be shorting the markets. So yeah, we could see some really low prices there, and using the fundamental side of trading to basically take advantage of that. And if we are shorting this all the way down, I really would be looking for a really big swing trade here. And if that is going to happen, it's going to be like 2, 3, 4% there. It's going to be pretty big moves there for gold, right? So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for there over the course of the next few years or so, right? It's definitely going to be huge, guys. Imagine doubling the supply of something. It's just crazy. So yeah, let's jump down to gold here on the shorter term time frame here and see if we can get some sort of position that we could be looking for here. We did actually see a descending triangle, guys. Did go through this, I think, last week. Descending triangle coming through. As you can see, the level of support was initially getting ready to be broken here, and from there the measure move down was really quite aggressive. Completed now, I do believe. Let's get that lined up and let's see how that went there, because as you can see here, the support on the resistance on the top side here has played out pretty strongly continuously, right? We are seeing really quite steep rejections here for gold. So yeah, as you can see, measure move bang on completed there, near enough done there. So let's do some percentages for that and see how much gold actually fell there. Around 1,000, it's around 1.38% there. So yeah, pretty crucial stuff there for gold. As I said, you can see how steep this is, guys. We're looking for that potential bounce here. And as you can see from these previous candles here, after seeing quite a cascading price down for gold, you can see these buybacks coming through really quite aggressively. So that's what we're hoping for, and we know how gold can really bounce on these supports there. So yeah, definitely something worth getting involved with, I do believe. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor at all, but yeah, I would say at least up to the 10 SMA there, and that's going to be around 0.5% there in terms of a move there for gold. Let's move down to the shorter term time frame to see what we're working with here, right? Going to be going off this high here, and I'm going to be drawing a trend line coming down like so. As you can see, this is the area to really be looking out for there, and then we're going to be using this low to basically be seeing where we currently are now. So in terms of a shorter move here for gold, we could be expecting something along the lines of this in terms of a measure move down. It's going to be something like that. as I said, coming down, testing that very, very crucial horizontal at around 1,786, and then bouncing up from there. So yeah, if we are going to be going short here, guys, it's going to be pretty risky, and it's going to be very fast. I think it's going to be a very, very fast trade if this is going to happen. So it's definitely something to be looking out for there. And also, if we do bounce from there, I probably would be banging in a nice long coming up from that horizontal there for gold. But let's move up as well in terms of a measure move up. It's going to be very small, guys. It's going to be very, very tiny when we do see us reclaim the top side of this falling wedge, because falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside, guys. So this is going to be the move up. Nothing too crazy. I know a lot of people do their measure moves like this. They do their measure moves like this, right? Like so. And if you are enjoying the content, guys, this will all be available over at the CC Investing channel. Go check that out in the description. And as you can see, this is going to be the measure move up. If you are greedy, if you're goddamn greedy, it's going to be 1.26%. But yeah, that's going to be gold. That's sort of what I'm looking for there today. Thank you ever so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the score. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, CC Investing.